Hello, welcome to Garden Glow, your cozy green space. If you're space poor, container gardening is a great way to meet that challenge. Container gardening can be stunningly beautiful, flexible, portable, and fairly easy to maintain, even on a small balcony or patio. I wanted to share a few of my favorite plant suggestions for containers. For herbs, I recommend basil, mint or rosemary. These herbs are beautiful and aromatic. For color, I like marigolds or petunias. They provide instant color and liveliness. If you want low-maintenance choice, go with snake plants or peace lilies. Lastly, trailing plants can provide a delicate, flowing vibe to any corner. I recommend using mixtures of height, texture, and color to give your little garden size and life. If you gained a few new ideas from this week's episode, like, comment, and subscribe to Garden Glow for more gentle gardening inspiration. Until next time.